So after Pakistan being rattled by Dhurandhar, China is seeing red over an upcoming film on the Galwan clash. Salman Khan's star, Battle of Galwan, based on the deadly June 2020 India-China clash in Ladakh, has triggered a sharp reaction on the other side of the line of actual control. So China's state-run media, they've gone after this film. They've questioned the portrayal of events. They've accused India of using cinema to push nationalism. New Delhi, however, made one thing very clear, of course, through sources, that the government has no role to play in films and that creative freedom stands in India. So why is Beijing so rattled 5 years after Galwan? Let's find out in this report.
Bhaijan is back on the big screen, this time with the Battle of Galwan, a film based on the June 2020 clash between Indian and Chinese troops in the Galwan Valley of eastern Ladakh. Directed by Apurva Lakhia, the film stars Salman Khan as Colonel Santosh Babu, the commanding officer of the 16th Bihar Regiment, who laid down his life defending India's territorial integrity. Chitrangda Singh plays the female lead. The trailer has generated massive buzz across India, stirring emotions, pride and remembrance. But across the border, Beijing appears rattled. China's state-run newspaper Global Times has taken a sharp aim at the film, alleging that its portrayal of the June 2020 clash does not align with facts. The article dismisses the film as over-the-top and even undermines Colonel Babu's sacrifice by calling his role so-called pivotal. The report also accuses India of using cinema to stir nationalistic sentiment, calling it reflective of a deeply rooted cultural and political tradition. But the propaganda doesn't stop there. Global Times has falsely placed responsibility for the June 15, 2020 clash squarely on India, alleging that Indian forces violated the line of actual control and deliberately provoked the situation in the Galwan Valley. But Bharat's story is different and is backed by proof. When China released the footage of the face-off, it showed a young Indian army officer leading from the front, standing firm against aggression. That officer was Captain Soiba from Manipur's Senapati district. On June 15, 2020, he led soldiers of the 16th Bihar Regiment during the confrontation in the Galwan Valley and was later honored by the Manipur Chief Minister for his bravery. Amid the controversy, government sources have clarified that the Indian government has no role in the making of the film and that filmmakers enjoy creative freedom. Bharat knows its truth, Beijing knows it too. So why the outrage? 5 years later, China still avoids transparency. It continues to reshape narratives and relies on propaganda. And this raises some important questions. If China's version of events is so solid, then why fear a film? If history is truly on Beijing's side, why attempt to silence another perspective? In a world where borders are contested not just on the ground but in the minds, is cinema really the threat? Or is it the truth? Bureau Report, India Today.